How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Facebook. Now tap on the three lines and scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on off Facebook activity. Click on continue. Now tap on clear previous activity. Now now tap on clear. Now tap on clear previous activity. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.